Welcome to Blockstate, where blockchain meets real estate. We are about to take you in an exciting journey of blockchain powered real estate. Now imagine sitting at your home and investing all around the globe. For example, in New York, in Manhattan, in Dubai, etc. Seems like a dream, right? No, it's not a dream. We are revolutionizing $300 trillion real estate industry with Blockstate. Although real estate tokenization is relatively a newer concept, but the first real estate was tokenized 4 years back. This is the hotel named St. Regis in US, which tokenized 20% of the whole property, and an STO, also known as security token offering, was made. This STO was a huge success as it has captured the investors all around the globe, and ultimately that token was trading above 20% of the base price. Now let's see our tokenization platform and its working. Let's dive into the product demo. So this is our landing page, and in the first fold we have given a global search option through which you can search your favorite property right from your fingertips. Further, you can see the description of Web3 and real estate fusion and how Web3 is changing the real estate. Moving ahead, through this section you can select the country of your choice, and list of available properties of that particular country will be opened. In this fold, you can see the special features like 24/7 trading, fractionalization of property, and title recording for safer transaction on our platform. In next fold, we have frequently asked question and answer section. This section includes all the common queries that a user faces and the answer to those queries. Moving ahead, we have recent news section. This section includes all the trending news about the real estate tokenization around the globe. The blogs and the news section is managed by the admin. Now let's click on Join Us button and get into the platform functioning. First step is to connect with your MetaMask wallet. If that MetaMask wallet address already exists on the platform, then a login button will pop up. If not, a sign up button will be shown. Here, as I am already onboarded on my platform, a login button is appearing. Now let's do the login and get into the platform. Once you have logged in successfully, you can explore the properties section. In properties section, you can see all the countries and their properties in a single view. As we scroll down, we can explore various properties and their short description. We can also see the ratings that other users has provided to these properties. Now let's see the detailed description of this last property. Once a detailed view is opened, you can see the photos of the property. So these are the photos uploaded by the owner. Further, you can also explore the videos that has been uploaded by the property owner. So this is the video of this particular property's interior. Going down, you can see a detailed description of this property. You can also see the number of beds, number of baths, kitchen, etc. In the right part, you can see the per token price of this property. You can also see the number of tokens remaining and the number of tokens sold. Moving down, you can further see more details of tokens and the profit generated through property. In left hand side, you can see number of tokens on sale, tokens minted, minting limit, property type. Right hand side, you can see profit sharing date, profit expected, last month's profit which was distributed to the tokens holder, etc. Right now your holdings is 0, so you have not received any profit of this property. As you go down, you can see the dividend of last month's distribution. So here you have a clear picture of how the profit is distributed after paying all the taxes. And just to be sure that these taxes are being paid or not, you can also see download the receipt and view the receipt that this tax has been paid or not. So moving down, you can see the dividend and per share token. Moving forward, you can see the property documents so that you can verify the authenticity of the property. Moving down, you can see more features of this property. Now let's explore how the buy functionality of our platform works by buying some token. Select the number of tokens, click on continue, After accepting all the terms and conditions, you can click on buy and you will be redirected to the MetaMask. Click on next, click on approve. After confirming the transaction, you will be given the 10 number of tokens of this property. Now you can successfully see the number of tokens in your holding section has been increased to 10. But right now the profit received is 0 as we have just bought the token. Now let's see how we can claim the profit. For that, let's go to my properties section. In my properties, click on my purchased properties. Here you can see a property named Villa which I have bought a month back. Click on this and a description page will open. Going down, you can see the October month's dividend. Now let's claim the profit. Click on claim profit. Click on confirm. Now I have successfully claimed the profit of $100 of my 10 tokens. You can further give the ratings to this property. Now let's see how we can list our property. For that, you have to go to list your property section. You have to fill out this form, starting with title, then description, then property value. Property value is the current value of your property. Then property address, city and country, number of tokens. So these are the number of tokens you want to be allocated, and your property will be tokenized with respect to these tokens. Date of profit distribution. So this is the date on which the profit generated by your property will be distributed to the users or the token holders. Select the number of rooms, property type. Now you have to upload the documents for the verification of the property. You can further add more minor details of the property. Now after clicking the next button, the next step would be uploading the photos and videos of the property. Here you can upload the photos and videos of your property with the description. After successfully uploading the photos and videos, you can hit the submit button and your request to list this property on our platform will be sent to the admin. Now you must be wondering how this property will be accepted and listed on our platform. For that, we have admin panel. Through admin panel, admin or the property manager can accept or reject your request. The acceptance of the request depends on the different legal factors which differ from country to country. Now let's dive deep how admin panel works. So this is the dashboard of my admin panel. In the dashboard, I can see total users, total properties, total tokens, new users, various customer and transaction reports, etc. Moving ahead with manage users, these are the list of approved users on my platform. Let's view the user 1. So I can view his documents, his basic details, etc. Let's see the pending request. Let's view this pending request. And as you can see, this user has not uploaded the correct document, so I will disapprove this user. I just have to give the reason for the disapproval and then I will send. Now let's move ahead with accepting the property request that we have just requested. Let's go to the manage request section. I can see my property that I have just requested for is on the top. And the request status is pending. So I will view this property. So these are the details that we have just submitted to the admin. And after verifying these details and documents and also the property images are genuine or not, the admin will decide to approve or disapprove this property. Let's approve this property. Confirm the MetaMask transaction, and then this property has been approved successfully. Now let's go back to my profile and see the status of this property has been updated or not. Go to my properties, and here you can see the property that we have requested and that has been successfully listed. Now we can mint the tokens for this property. Let's mint some token. Click on confirm and tokens are minted successfully. After successful minting, you can set those tokens on sale. Now let's set some token on sale. Click on confirm and your token is now on sale. After this step, the other user will buy your token and then they can claim the profit which will be generated through your property. So with this, we have come to an end of our platform working. Hope you enjoyed it. In the end, I just want to say that tokenization is changing the way we see real estate investment. Blockstate also offers you a white label product where you can onboard your users and they can buy the real estate all around the globe. Are you excited? Even we are excited. If you have any further queries, you can contact us through the link in the description. Thank you.